Shit, murder on my mind. So many years on. Been in the motherfucking game, you know what I mean? Doing what I do. Niggas don't believe it though. They think this shit is a game. Motherfucker. It's the pistol, son. I'm pistol, son. You know, I stay pissed on something, yo. I'm pissed, young. Just a pistol, son. It's a pistol, son. You know my dick, young. Understand, son. Piss on jump. I'm pissing on something like I'm R. Kelly. You in the car, son. They come get me. When they 7, son, I'm ready. That's what the motherfucker I thought, nigga. That's what your motherfucker right there still talk, nigga. And come do something. I'm the hillside, do it. Number 5, ready to kill you any nigga that wanna slide, bitch. Slide in your whip, right with your tricks. And now they see me jump with the burning sun that love to put out my pockets quick. Come on, dog, just pop it quick. Pop every butt in my clip. Hollow tip, holler at your bitch ass niggas and swallow this, nigga. Swallow the nut out of my dick. Come on, dog, I'm homicidal. You already know, keep playing with me if you want, son. I'ma shoot you while I'm holding the Bible. That shit is crazy, I make you bow on that floor. Bow down like a dog, motherfucker. Fuck all y'all, even bitch niggas in Baltimore. I'm right here, son. Keep talking that shit, son. Cause I'm ready for that war. And you see, I'm still here. It's a pistol, yeah, son. That's a pistol. Yeah, I'm pistol. Yeah, I'm pissed on them. You already know I'm pissed on. You already know I'm ready to piss on them. Maybe I'm gonna piss on them. Fuck around, yeah, they piss me off. And then they tryna figure out why I'm so mad. They angry young nigga ready to put every black nigga in a body bag. Fuck nigga, you be dead. Don't forget about that. Little nigga, I'm a memory. An evil nigga, come on dog. They sure wanna make it enemy. Believe me. These niggas they think I'm breezy. Just because I give my money, being a good guy, you think that mean I'm easy. I wish this world was like me. Coming around, little dyke ass bitch, you wanna fight me. That shit funny, but now you wanna call you police. Don't act like you wanna be held back. Yeah, for life, try and protect me, son. Yeah, alright, you already know what the fact is. I'm a young nigga, son. I don't dress so black for a reason, young. You already know shot on the back of your heads. You keep on playing with me, young. I'm real raw. You already know like a wrestling move, son. I make it look real soft. Little niggas already know I'm that nigga. Tearing the whole world apart, nigga. This shit is so real. Hey, yo, I'm the pistol. I'm just so pissed. I'm pissed on the floor. I'm pissed at all y'all. I'm pissed in the game. I'm pissed, nigga. Yeah, I'm real pissed, nigga. Yeah, son, I stay pissed off. I'm ready to piss on the floor and piss on all y'all, motherfucker. Just so grimy and dirty, grimy young nigga. Make the whole world talking about me like telling a story. And everybody wanna laugh. Everybody wanna put me in the past. Talking about I'm a dirty ass nigga, man. Not like I don't really take a bath. That shit is crazy. I stay fresh. And when I'm going out there, I smell like I just came out there of death. Come on, dog, like a dead man, son. Like I really ate out the trash. But you remember that day when I hated the game, son, and hated me young? They tried to eat my cash. They took that and take that fast. Could you give it back, son? Like an Indian giver, I don't ask. Come on, son, never just live it up. Keep it delivering, you motherfuckers, this and that, like you deserve it, motherfucker. Dead man walking. I'm a dead nigga that's still talking. Living in darkness. Little niggas don't even get it, son, cause you ain't the smartest. Acting like you tough, but when you approaching me, son, you ain't the hardest. Come on, dog, until you in your cars with your bitch. Or with them little dirty niggas ride with. Man, fuck them, right in your dirty ass whip that you ain't even get. You already know what hard work and money and you in your payment. Everything is easy, son, what you say again. Little pistol in the hood, son, look at me jamming. Come on, dog, you see me under digging and slamming right in the dirt. Till I'm playing with them 2 guns, nigga, ready to get somebody hurt. I mean, get them all burnt. I mean, to get them turn around the corner, son, you on my turf. Little pistol, I'm about to show you how the game is burst. Right in the flames, right with these lanes. I'm playing right with your brains. With these bullets, son, and let me show you how this life is gonna change, nigga. Make it flip. And then you see the shit backwards. That little nigga see that death is coming at you, son. Weak ass actors. Trying to approach this, trying to practice this. They practice, kid. But I'm a real nigga with it. I ain't practicing now, I'm just living this. Ain't no shit guaranteed but pain. What more stress than them come around to carry me, son, right to the lane. And they when they switching lanes, they playing games. And they expect me to act like that shit is cool in the hood, son. You already know now I'm feeling flames. When I'm standing at these little niggas in my sight, want them to disappear, son. You already know, wait till it get at night. When the darkness involve me with the evil. No more being a good guy to the wrong people. It's every motherfucker in sight. Every motherfucker that's black and white. Fuck black niggas, y'all already know, son. I'm ready to strike, nigga. Black lives don't matter. And y'all already know when I take the knives out, done, you better cut me up like butter. Bitch ass nigga, you dumb motherfucker. I'm here, I'm ready. Then I'm rocking the game in the booth. Hear me spitting these lyrics, son, and I'm in hell, y'all spitting the evil truth. Bitch ass nigga, I'm on the loose. I'm on the loose like a motherfucker, wild hog. Y'all know the old nigga on the block like a biggest beast. Everybody get it, coming around, son, waiting for your flash to get dead, done, to get touched, son, so I can feast. Come on, dog, have a festival. Come on, take your motherfucking haters, son. Tie them up, cause I just fetched them all. Just catch them, boy, catch them young like a dog catching a ball. Motherfucker, hold up, nigga. You already know who I be. Yeah, it's your pistol. Yeah, son, I'm pissed, son. I'm dead, I'm pissed on. Yeah, I'm pissed on. Yeah, got me all pissed off. Got me ready to piss in the war like a little dog. You fuck with me. You fuck with me, little nigga from the MOB, little nigga from the MOB, them I'm like young, the music city. You come get me, young, I got more power than a ranger. Ready to shoot these motherfuckers up and show them how I do and how I'ma change ya. They say, damn, bro, what the fuck? Yo, why you showing your shotgun? Yeah, let me shoot them hollows and put them holes through your throat, yo, nigga. Yeah, you niggas thought it was a joke. It's definitely shallow. That's me, the demonic motherfucker. Come around, son, yeah, young. One, the fast for this dollar. All these hoes talking about my birthday's coming out, pistol. What the fuck you tell me for? Ho, you ain't get on your knees and suck my pistol. You already know and drink my piss and all. You already know someone will bust you, your motherfucking shit. You talking that dumb shit with the bullets right through your jaw, nigga. You already know how I get, young. Little nigga putting them bangers in river. I'm about to come get ya. You already know it's pistol in the block, young. The mob life, young thriller. I ain't playing with these psychos. I'm like Michael Myers, son. Get the nicer players. But see, I play with the twin. You already know, yeah, it's time to take bullet showers. With more hollow, son, like a holly young. You already know how we do godless, like a fucking goblin. Little niggas already know how I do in the hood. You wanna stop me? Call the cop then. Cop in the building, hop in the whip then. Motherfuckers already know I'm back in the game. Know my life sound in it. Who's my children? The demons. We ain't fucking around, fuck God, fuck Lord Jesus, all that shit, y'all know I'm talking hard. Now please on this, I'm a real G, son, y'all know they ain't have no peace. And I'm a good guy to give people all my fucking cheese, and now I'm broke. Living in a motel, Betty making it. They don't give a fuck, they don't care about me, but they really wanna fake with a kid. You already know, still wanna be with my dick, like when I play that young, I'm gonna play that dick. Come on, like when I had that, son, like when I have your weight. Come on, motherfucker, put a bullet in your way, motherfucker. Your pistol on the block. Your pistol, the motherfucking mob. It's the pistol. Yeah, son, I'm pissed, got me pissing on young. I'm pissing on all y'all young. I'm on the dog. Your pistol. I'm pissing the young. I'm pissing the blood. Pissing the water. I'm pissing on y'all. Cause them niggas that making me sick, nigga. I'm pistol. I'm pissing again. I'm pissing the young. You got me pissed off, nigga. Fucking around with a nigga like me, It's the pistol. You got me pissed off, nigga. Yeah, you got me pissing the water. It's like a Pistol and pissing on y'all. One more verse, nigga. This freestyle you this shit is raising. The boy Pistol temperature young in his hood, my burn his place down. Like the terrorism. Are you bears, man? Are you bears with them motherfuckers? Yeah, look at them, y'all. They looking so stupid now, the little pistol cripple, man. But I ain't gonna see you, I ain't no crip at all. You doing that, man? I'm a blood banger, mob life, you already know middle fingers. You already know to them bitch ass niggas, they think I'm a stranger. I'm a good guy, young. Who the fuck y'all will make me famous? Shit, you wanna do something, bitch ass nigga, hold them up. Raise them guns, son. Put out the pants, man. Hold up. You already know, make that move. Fuck the police, nigga. I'ma show you young what the bullets gonna do. Put you to rest, put you to sleep. Last breath you gonna take, nigga. You already know how I be. Came to speak. You already know young came to stare at me. With them dirty ass eyes you got in the back of your head. So now when I'm throwing shots in the back of your head, then you're all young. They wanna feel young like me coming back from the dead. Yeah, got stabbed in the rib. Got stabbed it, yeah, now my life and heaven got better ever since. Family came against me, son. I ain't got no friends. Man, fuck that shit. It's my life, son. It's all I got to the death end, nigga. There the death begin. And then they ref, young, try to throw a ref at me, boy. You already know, don't pretend. Cause I'ma show you what I'ma do next. And took these twins in my hands and put in that work. You motherfuckers gon' feel the dirt, bitch ass nigga. Pistol. Real on my mind. New shit, 2024, nigga. Boy, little pistol, John. You a skeleton, motherfucker. Don't forget, nigga.